taking over you. Oh, this is the greatest show. We light it up, we won't come down, and the walls can't stop us now. Watching it come true, it's taking over you. Oh, this is the greatest show.
Oo nga pala, dahil birthday ni Sarah Cruz sa susunod na Martes, nagbili ng kanyang papa na magkaroon ng isang malaking-malaking party.
Mama Sarah, imbitado ba po kaming lahat sa party mo? Siyempre!
Sa isang kondisyon, kailangang isuot nyo ang sarili nyong kasuotan.
I've been staring at the edge of the water long as I can remember, never really knowing why. If the wind in my sail on the sea stays behind me, one day I'll know. If I go, there's just no telling how far I'll go. I know everybody on this island has a role on this island, so maybe I can roll with mine. I can lead with pride, I can make us strong. I'll be satisfied if I play along, but the voice inside sings a different song. What is wrong with me? If the wind in my sail on the sea stays behind me, one day I'll know how far I'll go.
I've heard a great deal about you, Fa Mulan. You stole your father's armor, ran away from home, impersonated a soldier, deceived your commanding officer, dishonored the Chinese army, destroyed my palace, and you have saved us all.
Our little baby is all grown up and saving China. You have a tissue.
Look at me, I will never pass for a perfect bride or a perfect daughter. Now I see that if I were truly to be myself, I would break my family's heart. Somehow I cannot hide who I am, though I've tried. When will my reflection show who I am inside? When will my reflection show who I am inside?
It's funny how some distance makes everything seem small, and the fears that once controlled me can't get to me at all. No right, no wrong, no rules for me. I'm free. Let it go, let it go. When I rise like the break of dawn, let it go, let it go. That perfect girl is gone. Here I stand in the light of day. Let the storm rage on. The cold never bothered me anyway.
I won't hurt you. What do you do when things go wrong? Oh, you sing a song. But I do need a place to sleep. Maybe you know where I can stay. You do? Will you take me we there?
Hi-ho, hi-ho, hi-ho. Hi-ho, hi-ho. It's home from work we go. Hi-ho, 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 hi-ho. Hi-ho.
Slave in the magics I summon thee. Speak! Let me see thy face.
What wouldst thou know, my queen?
Magic mirror on the wall. Who is the fairest one of all?
A lovely maid I see,
Reveal her name.
skin white as snow.
Snow White. A formula to transform my beauty into ugliness, to make me old. Now begin thy magic spell. One taste of the poisoned apple in the sleeping den.
I'm awfully sorry. I didn't mean to frighten you.
Oh, it wasn't that. It's just that you're
A stranger?
Mm-hmm.
But don't you remember? We've met before.
We have?
Well, of course. You said so yourself. Once upon a dream.
I know you, I walked with you once upon a dream. I know you, I know what you'll do. You love me at once, the way you did once upon a dream.
Yes. I can open your eyes, take you wonder by wonder, over, sideways, and under, on a magic carpet. Now I'm in a whole new world with you.
Unbelievable sight, indescribable feeling, soaring, tumbling, freewheeling through an endless diamond sky, a whole new world.
Don't you dare close your eyes. Hold your breath, it gets better.
I'm like a shooting star, I've come so far.
Let me share this whole new world with you.
The wind's my sail on the sea.